Come test drive the 2009 Focus. Focus has more cool tech, more of what you're looking for from any point of view, more than meets the eye. This vehicle has less than 145,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, tire pressure monitor, front disc rear drum brakes, remote trunk release, front wheel drive, tires front all season, tires rear all season, keyless entry, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.